Most verbs in Gaelic form the future tense by adding e to their root, which changes to as after a few specific phrases like cimera, cunne, nuara, or ma. Gaelic has a small number of irregular verbs, though, that form their tenses differently from the general rule. The verb to go, rach, isn't rachi in the future, but H. H in yachi, will go home. Will see isn't Faigh, but he. He mi amadachu. Will make or will do is not gianni, but ni. Ni mi shin. I'll do that. And faigh, to get, has the future yiv rather than faigh. Give me it. I'll get them. These irregular verbs that have unusual forms in the future don't bother taking an us ending after cimera, cunne, nuara, or ma. So, cimera heichin iawn. How will we get there? Cunne hiu yet. When will you see them? Cimera nimie. How will I do it? And ma yivu yet, if you get them.